Hello everyone, welcome to NEET Mentor. We are going to talk about the exam postponement and expected next date for the examination, whether change in the center possible, and what are the different scenarios when we can expect the next exam, at least roughly duration, and what may be the factors. This decision is good or bad. We'll discuss all such things from all the neutral perspectives. Okay, if you're new here, please do subscribe this channel, and you can also avail our paid services for the last 2 years cutoff. You can access to our a smart portal, our website neatmentor.co.in. There you can visit and access the details. You can join our telegram groups, you can access the ebooks from our website, and you can join our WhatsApp group also. These things are available in the description of the video. Okay, so first of all, it's really painful to talk about the exam postponement. It came as very shocking news just 10 11 hours before the examination start time. Okay, but it has come and everybody knows, so we have already accepted, and we have no options other than accepting what the government is doing for us in terms of conducting NEET PG examination. Okay, we can say that we would have expected government to do so and so things, notifying us 2 days prior, so that we should not have gone to the center, took out the facilities to stay with our family members for 1 day uh, or 2 days. Okay, so we have done all these things, candidate have done all these things, okay, for staying at the hotel, and next day they will go for examination. So I got the calls from many candidates, and they are sharing their painful experience. And second thing, that most importantly, when you are ready and set go for the examination, you have a mindset that now you are coming out of the very difficult zone where you have to put hours, months of preparation, full effort, which is this is juncture where you are going to become a specialist doctor. Okay, so you are putting your 100% effort, and you have a mindset that you are now, from the next day, you are free out of these things. Now the only counseling will be there, where you can get support of someone and you can easily do it. But again, when you have to set your mind to do preparation, revision, it is very painful and it's not easy. Okay, now let's talk about like whether this decision was good or bad. Okay, now think from this perspective. As it happened to NEET UG examination, the examination got conducted nicely. Okay, but when it came to the result, okay, they gave grace marks and the irregularities and in the examination conduction part. Okay, suppose the examination got conducted on 23rd, and later you come to know in the result part that okay, like NEET UG, here also the same thing happened. So from that perspective, if we see, it's better, okay, to accept the pain before the examination, rather than going through the pain that okay, you didn't get good rank, instead you got good score but you didn't get the good rank, and the counseling happens based on the rank. So it's good that they have realized, okay, that the those irregular bodies, okay, NB and some scammers are involved, and they realize that okay, they should postpone the examination, and should make sure that it is getting conducted in very robust manner and in flawless manner. Okay, so it's better to take the pain before than taking it later, and going through the court cases for postponement of exam, then doing preparation again. So if the government realized that NEET PG examination could also go through the same like NEET UG, and considering that suspect, they postponed the examination to not allow any irregularities to happen. Okay, then from that perspective it's good. But how is bad? Because you have to take the pain again, you have to set your mentality, and you have to wait for the examination, you do preparation. Some candidates would be benefited whose preparation was not good, they will get some more time. But how much more time you will get? Okay, let's see the calendar. NB calendar, NB is going to conduct the examination. Okay, so on 8th June, GPAT, Graduate pharmacy aptitude test was there. On 14th to 16th June, NBMS diploma final examination. I have posted the 23rd December result and its passing ratio. You can check that video, last video. And then on 23rd NEET PG was scheduled. On 6th July FMG examination, 6th July, okay, FMG examination is scheduled, and 7th July was the date when NEET PG was scheduled later, earlier. It got preponed. So first they postponed, okay, to 7th July, then preponed to 23rd of June. Now again postponed. So this postpone, like that is happening. But we have to accept it. So we are discussing like when the examination might happen. If they have all the centers, okay, which they have allotted to us, and is still available on 7th of July, then it will be very easy for them to conduct the examination of 7th of July. But we don't know, and there is no source where we can verify that all the centers are still available on that date. Not in the first half 9 to 12:30. Is it available in 2 to 5:30 second half? If it's available, the high chance that they can conduct the examination of 7th July. But if because the centers are already given, okay, so the candidates are allotted the centers already. They have to release the admit card for sure, fresh admit card. But in case they are not able to find all the centers, okay, so in order to accommodate the candidates, okay, what they can do, they can eliminate some of the centers in some of the cities, and they can add more seats in the existing centers. In that way, in that approach, they don't have to ask the candidate to again select the test center. Because if they are adding more centers and removing the existing centers, so that on particular day they can find the availability in all the centers, then they have to ask the candidate to select the city test center again. So then you will get chance. But I believe that they won't ask the candidate to select the centers again, because it's government, okay. Government can make an excuse when you are asking them for the postponement. They can say the quote that it's difficult for TCS to get the centers on particular day, and these many numbers, 300 plus cities, 1000 plus centers. Getting that much availability on particular day is difficult. That government can say. But when it comes to government had made the mistake, then government will try it best, and they can definitely succeed, okay, because everything is in government control. Most of the thing they can move the smaller examinations to other on the same day, other shift, and they can manage like that. So mostly they won't ask the candidates to select the centers again. Same center, same list of cities, list of centers will be there, but the date might be between 15 days to 1 month. Means 7th July is one of the date. If not 7th July, then maybe next Sunday or next Sunday or next Sunday, might be up to last week of July. The exam will definitely happen 7th to last week of July. If they delay further, it will be like a bottleneck for them also, because they have to maintain that schedule also, and it will be a problem for them also, because due to internship completion, okay. And one more question, if the examination is getting delayed, okay, so they are getting more time for the internship completion, so they going to add more candidates? So that's not possible. Application form is filled up, they won't open the application form again, considering more time is given, and more candidates would be eligible as per the deadline of the internship completion. So that's like far cry that they will open the registration one again. Same candidates, and the center will be mostly same, so just the date is a factor. So between 7th to last week of the July, you can expect any time. And the date announcement, when can they announce the date? They would be having some protocol or some checks, confirmation from the agency. TCS is the conducting body for the NEET PG examination in CVT manner. So they will confirm from them, and their protocols, checkpoints that they need to uh, go through to assure that the examination is uh, going to get conducted in flawless manner without any cheating or any scam. After they are assured with all the authorities, agencies, third parties, all the things, then they will come up with the date announcement, and then you will be having very cool mind that okay, this is the next examination date and you have to prepare accordingly. Now you should not take new topic, because you are not going to get more than 1 month time, maximum 1 month time I would say. You will get more for the preparation, and in that you better stick to your approach that you have been following for last 1 month: revision, gts, mock test, and all such things. Okay. So center change of possibility we discussed, less probable. Expected exam date like 15 days to 1 month. And whether it's good decision or bad decision, I would say it's like 50-50. 50 chance, 50% good decision. Why? Because if the same thing was figured out after, so it's better to keep the mindset part is positive. Okay. Blaming anybody is not going to get benefit for you. It will take you it into the negative mindset. So consider this decision was good only. If you had went into the same situation after the examination gets over and result is out, like NEET UG, then you would think that time that okay, postponement was a good decision. Okay. So leave most of the things to god and stick to your preparation. Good decision, bad decision, when the date will come, these all things should not impact your current progress of preparation, because this is like once in lifetime opportunity for you, and you score good and you do good based on your potential. You are happy with the paper that you performed on the day of examination, then everything is good. Okay. Sooner or later we must adjust, and that we have been doing from last many years. Okay. So 50, this is summary: 15 days to 1 month, and it can get conducted on non Sundays also. It can get conducted in such second shift also based on the availability. 7 July is the most probable date, maximum by July end. Less chance for addition of new centers or center change option will be allowed. New date for the examination may be coming this week. Okay. So that's all from my side. Thanks for watching.